Hello, and welcome to the 2025 Guide to Applying to the Biddeford Regional Center of Technology. To begin, please log on to the Biddeford Schools website at www.biddefordschools.me. In the top right corner, click on the Schools drop-down menu and click on Biddeford Regional Center of Technology. This will bring you to the Biddeford Regional Center of Technology's homepage. You'll see at the center top the Apply Now button. Please click here. This will bring you to the Enroll Track homepage for the Biddeford Regional Center of Technology. You'll need to create a username and password. Please make sure to write this down. You don't want to forget it. Next, on the Create Account Step 1, you'll need to put your first name, email, username, and password. Please make sure that your school email is the email that you use. And make sure to check it periodically and frequently. Next is Step 2, the Student Information page. Here, you'll fill out information about your current high school, counselor, graduation date, and other general information about yourself. This is followed by a short answer question. Read through it thoroughly and think through a thought-out response. Make sure to take time and reflect on your goals and career interests and how COT can help achieve those for you. Make sure to pay attention to grammar and spelling, as this is a first impression, and first impressions matter. Next is your contact information. During the review of your application, a staff member or faculty member from Biddeford Regional Center of Technology will reach out to you to provide further information on next steps, status updates of your application, or may need to follow up with some additional questions. Making sure that this information is accurate allows this process to go smoothly. If you are accepted in the COT, students will receive their acceptance material at the address that they provided on this page. Your guidance counselor will also be notified of your acceptance. Step 4 is the program information page and program selection page. You'll notice that you can select a first and second program. Please make sure to provide a first and second choice. As much as we hope that every student gets into their first choice for an academic program here at Biddeford Regional Center of Technology, space in each program is limited. By having a secondary choice, applicants can be considered for another amazing opportunity on one of our academic programs if they're unable to pursue their first choice. Finally is Step 5, confirming your application. Make sure to double check everything you provided, make sure there are no errors, and that all your contact information is accurate. Once you've done that, hit submit, and we look forward to reviewing your application.